okay how to apply mask on this screen. So first clean the surface. Use soft cloth to clean. After seeing no dust, you peel this off. So there are two indicators: peel after application and peel before application. Okay, so please peel this off before application. So peeling this off will let us access the adhesive part. Okay, so now I'll peel this part. Peel up to certain point so that you can pull this one. So I peel this one. Now place it carefully on the edges. Choose the film suitable for your skin. So press and release, press and release. Okay. So there will be no chance of bubble formation. Okay. The bubble happen to come, take it off and reapply. So not for multiple times. So few times you can do that. Let's continue this. I'm using hand, you can use any of that equipment, just like this one, so that there will be no scratch. Very ball form. Better if you will cross this one. There again the bubble, take it out. Okay. For the bubbles, press it to your is too hard so that it might damage your screen. और बबल कतै छ भने तपाईले रिलिज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ प्रेस गर्दै जाने यसको डिजाइन गर्न हुन्छ सो सर्भिसमा इन द बिगिनिङ में बबल आउन नदिने ओके अनि अप्लाई गरिसकेपछि अब तपाईले के हुन्छ अप्लाई गरेपछि स्क्रैच भएको हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ फ्रन्ट पार्ट हो फ्रन्ट पार्ट